Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we'll talk about the NFT art. What's the price of NFT art finance, what's the prices occur in an NFT art finance at this time, and in this video we will discuss the prices occur in the last 24 hours, and I'm also show you the very urgent update of NFT. So keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Thank you so much. I'm very happy when you subscribe my channel, so thank you so much friends. Once again, thank you so much friends. Now let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the currently this time price of the NFT art, and a lot of friends ask me this question that NFT art is the best investment or not. Please tell me in the video friends. So finally I got answer for all of you friends. As you can see here, the currently price of the NFT is 0.000001 USD dollar at this time price of the NFT art. And on the other hand, if you look the price change occur in the NFT, so as you can see here, 95.23% positive change occur. As you can see, the price change is goes upward on the front of your eyes friends. So according to the price of the NFT art and according to the price change occur, so I suggest for all of you that NFT art finance is the best investment for all of you friends. I think it's the best investment for all of you friends. Let's see for more details the NFT art finance price chart. Let's see. That is the price chart of NFT art. I know that they fast down in the previous time, but as you can see here, as you can see here, they fast down in the previous time, as you can see here. But here is the good news for all of you friends, as you can see here, and now they're again ready to take a jump friends. And now as you can see here, at this time they take a jump, and that is why the price change as about 95.64% going positive friends. So absolutely it's a good news for all of you friends. Congratulations to all of you friends. Let's see the price statistic about NFT art. Here the price change is 95.50%, and in the 24-hour, and fully diluted market is also going very highly upward. As you can see here, positive 104.89%. the fully diluted market is going up, and the market rank is about 5006 is the market rank of the NFT art finance token in the cryptocurrencies market. So the price is going very better. So if you are a holder, so I think my suggestions for all of you is that please hold your NFT art finance token. That I hope that they will give you good amount of profit in the future friends, and they will make you millionaire. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.